Hello, Avon third graders. This week we are going to be learning about how the government works. We are going to talk about the national government, also known as the federal government. We are going to learn about the state government and the local government. Since we are learning about the 3 different levels of government, I have decided to have a guest speaker come speak to you. He knows more about the government than I do. Let me go grab him. Hello, Avon third graders. My name is Mike Petrick. I am the mayor of Avon, South Dakota. I'm going to teach you about government today.
Loretta,
What?
you can't impersonate a mayor. You'll get in trouble.
Yeah, I suppose you're right. I better just teach the third graders by myself. Okay, so we are going to start with the national government. There are 3 branches to the national government. The first branch of government is the judicial branch. The judicial branch makes sure that laws are fair based on the United States Constitution. This branch of government consists of 8 associate judges and 1 chief justice. The next branch of the government is the legislative branch. The legislative branch is the branch responsible for making the laws. It consists of 2 parts. It is made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives. The amount of people in the Senate for each state is 2. So there are 100 senators at our national level. The House of Representatives is determined by population. So South Dakota has a small population. We have 1 representative, whereas California's population is a lot larger. So California has 53 representatives. Next, we have the executive branch. The executive branch is the branch that carries out the laws. The executive branch is made up of several parts as well. The executive branch is made up of our POTUS. For those of you who don't know what a POTUS is, the POTUS is the President of the United States, which happens to be Donald Trump at this time. Also, it includes the Vice President and 15 executive departments. These 15 executive departments each has a head of the department, and the head of that department is what makes up the president's cabinet. The cabinet is a group of advisors who gives advice to the president. Man, I wish I had a cabinet for advice. Maybe I do. Let's go ask my cabinet for some advice. I'm not really sure how this works. I'm guessing maybe it works like a magic 8-ball. So I'm just going to ask, Cabinet, should I continue making these videos? Ask again? Seriously? All right, let's ask again. Oh, Cabinet, should I continue embarrassing myself by making these strange videos in order for my third graders to learn? Ooh, yes, definitely. At the state level, our government is run by the governor. Right now, South Dakota's governor is Kristi Noem. The people are represented by representatives and senators at the state level. When we get down to our local level, which would be here in Avon, South Dakota, we have a mayor, Mike Petrick, who you met earlier, and he has a city council that works with him and represents the people. I hope that you guys dig into your social studies magazine that I sent to you. There is a phone number in there where you can call the president. I did check it out to see if it was legit or not. I called pretty late in the night. I didn't think anyone worked that late except Jake from State Farm, but they did answer, and it was the White House switchboard, and they assured me that the number was safe to call. So get online, look up who our representatives and our senators are, dig into more about the government, talk to your parents about the government. Just dig in and have a great time to do some learning on your own. Oh, somebody's here. I wonder who that is. I better go check. Oh my goodness, it's the mayor. I wonder what he wants.
I heard
Hi.
somebody was here impersonating me.
Oh, impersonating you. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm teaching my third graders about the government, and I just thought that maybe coming from a city official, they would learn more. But I realized that was wrong, so I stopped.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to say to them, though?
Yeah, you know what Loretta's doing, impersonating the mayor is big offense. I could get the town cop involved, but means she's such a nice citizen and everything. We might let her go.
Oh, I'm so ashamed.
Yeah, that's all right.
I know city officials can get long-winded, so while you talk to my third graders, I'm going to go get some stuff done.
That's good.
Okay.
That's good.
All right, excuse me, I'm going to go over here.
Yeah, well, Loretta's doing a terrific job here, teaching you kids while you're sitting at home with the COVID-19. I know that's kind of boring, but she's doing a very good job. It's something that the city didn't want to see happen, but it did, and we kind of implemented some stuff for the safety and the health of the public in town here. Being the mayor, it played a big part of my feelings and the feelings for the public, the kids. Got to look after your well-being and everybody in town. So yeah, it's a tough world today, but Loretta's making it fun, doing a great job. But yeah, impersonating the mayor, I don't know. I'm gonna have to talk to her about this and stuff. But yeah. So what else does the kids want to learn about today? Do we want to know what it takes to run the town? It takes a lot of time, a lot of meetings, upset a few people, but all in all, it's very rewarding because we live in this nice little town. So yeah, it's a rewarding job, and it's a great community, and we want to keep it that way. So yes. Loretta, how do you shut this thing off, or what do you want me to do here? Loretta? Holy cow.
Mike, it's really not that hard to shut this thing off.